because life never stops teaching. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Tunusri from 4th class. Word of the day: honesty, meaning without cheating or lying. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Chaitanya from 4th grade. Today news: India celebrates World Tourism Day 2025, highlighting sustainable growth. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Ashwini from 4th grade. Today news: Sri Lanka. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Deva from 4th grade. Today news: heavy rain raises high ranges of Kerala orange, at least in 4 districts. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Rohit from 4th class. All India Muslim personal law to restore online clean. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Flame from 4th class. PM Modi to provide financial assistance of Rs 15,000 crop to Himalaya Pradesh. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Anusha from 4th grade. Today's slogan: Anni danama nandu nanna daname goppa. Kanna talli kanna ఘనము లేదు, ఎన్ని గురువుని కన్నా నెక్కుడు లేదయ్యా. విశ్వదాభిరామ వినులవేమ సత్పత్యము, అన్ని దానములోను అన్నదానమే గొప్పది. అలాగే కన్న తల్లిని మించినదేదీ లేదు, గురువును మించినది మరీ లేదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. Good morning everyone. Myself Rajeshwari from 4th grade. Today great personalities. Sir Mokshagundam Vishveshwaraya was one of India's great engineers. He helped to design a very good system of irrigation and flood control in the Deccan Plateau. He was the Diwan or Chief Minister of the Maharaja of Mysore. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in 1955. He died in 1962 at the age of 102. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Myself Rajeshwari from 4th grade. Good morning everyone. Myself Ashwini from 4th grade. Today's song: Idumudi Kattu Sabarimaleki Neyi Abhishekam Manikantuniki Swami Sharanamayyappa Sharana Sharanamayyappa Swami Sharanamayyappa Sharana Sharanamayyappa దీనుల దారువని మండల దీక్షగుని నీగిరి చేరి కదిలితివయ్య నీ శబరి కొండ అందరికీ అండగదా. శరణమయ్యప్ప శరణ శరణమయ్యప్ప కొండలు దాటుకొని గుండెల నింపుకొని ఓమని కంట చేరితివయ్య నీ కరిమల క్షేత్రం కలియుగమరు. ఇడుముడి కట్టు శబరిమలకి నెయ్యి అభిషేకం మణికంఠునికి స్వామి శరణమయ్యప్ప శరణ శరణమయ్యప్ప స్వామి శరణమయ్యప్ప శరణ శరణమయ్యప్ప. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్. Good morning everyone. Myself Rajeshwari from 4th grade. Today we are going to perform act on discipline. I am playing role 1. I am playing role 2. I am playing role 3. I am playing role 4. I am playing role 5. Ting ting. Oh, it is o'clock. I want to sleep more. Ting ting. Oh, it's 8 o'clock. I have to ready to go to school. May I come in, ma'am? Yes. Why are you late, Ashwini? My health is not good, ma'am. Is it? I call you parents? No, ma'am. I wake up too late, ma'am. Are you talking lies, Ashwini? Take punishment, 10 sit-ups. I am leaving my classroom. What are you talking? Show me your homework. Ma'am, Tanusri is hiding, ma'am. Why are you hiding, Tanusri? I did not my homework, ma'am. Why, Tanusri? I went village, ma'am. Take punishment, do 2 sit-ups. Ashwini, you are came early in the school. Good. I am leaving my classroom. Good. Very good, children. Show me your homeworks. Oh, Tanushree, finish your homework. Good.